Hello everyone, my name is Gina and welcome to Season Beauties. Our video on today, we will be unboxing our Kinder Beauty box. For those of you who are not familiar with it, yes, it is something new to my channel. But if you are not familiar with it, I will leave the information down below so you can check it out and see if it's something you would like to take part in. Okay, so when we open up our box, the inside says, oh, hey, let's do something kind today. All right. And then we have our description card, which shows the items that are inside and gives us quite a few details all about it. Okay. And the theme for this month is the fresh-faced box. Okay, so it says the first item that we have is by Collective Laboratories. We're going to go ahead and take it out of this bubble paper, which actually it's bubble plastic, which I'm glad to have because this is an oil serum and we do want to make sure that it doesn't drip out. And if it does, it's collected in the bag and not all over the rest of our products. Okay, so it says this is the hair growth activating serum, and it's a serum gentle enough to use regularly, yet strong enough to revitalize scalp health and promote hair growth. Okay, now it says this serum has a warming or tingling effect on your scalp. Okay, it says, but make sure you wash your hands thoroughly after each use. Okay, now the manufacturer suggested retail price for this product is $47. Now this is a 1-ounce bottle and it says healthy hair for all. All right. And it says it harnesses Eastern medicine and modern science. This serum treats the scalp with amino acids, minerals, and powerful botanicals used daily to soothe the scalp, balance oil production, and promote new and healthy hair growth. Okay, it says you should see a significant difference in the first 3 to 4 months. Okay, it is, of course, a clean product, which is what this box is all about. Every item in it is either clean and or vegan. Okay, so this one, in addition to that being the case, it does have a 12-month shelf life. Okay. It says revive with ginseng and biotin, okay? And this is item number 1. Then let's keep on going. Oh, the next item that we have, I love getting these, it's a little noisy, but we cut down on the noise right off the bat, okay? So the next item that we have is, oh, the smell. That's nice. Okay. The next item that we have is by Kinder Beauty, and it's the embroidered spa headband. Okay. And it says, clap back at splashbacks with the Kinder Beauty embroidered spa headband. Made by yours truly, this plush bandeau helps keep you fresh-faced and your wash-up routine mess-free. Plus, it's made from 100% recycled polyester fleece. Okay. The manufacturer suggested retail price for this item is $18. Okay. It smells very nice. I don't know why. Not that it's a bad thing, but it really does smell very nice, and it's nice and stretchy, you know, for those of us with big hair. And it's extremely soft. Okay, how about that? And this is, of course, item number 2. Item number 3 is by Estate Cosmetics. Now, I've used them before as well. I have palettes by them. And this is the Precision Felt Tip Liquid Liner. And it says it's a liner that can handle it all. Plus, the Estate Cosmetics Precision Tip Liner is smudge-proof, water-resistant, and quick drying, and the manufacturer suggested retail price for this one is $12. Now, this one is a 0.035 ounce size, and it has a 6-month shelf life. Okay, let's just see what the inside packaging looks like. Oh, this is right nice. Okay, you know we're not going to open it. We only have 6 months once we open it, so. And since we already have like 2 or 3 of them open, let's just give this one a chance, okay? But the inside packaging is very nice, and the shade that I have is black. All right, so that one is item number 3. The next one is by Pure AM Beauty, all right? And this is the Amino Acid Mild Cleanser. Okay. Start the new year off feeling clear-skinned with help from the Pure AM Beauty Amino Acid Mild Cleanser. This product features less than 0.5% of salicylic acid, but will still lift dead skin cells and excess oil without causing damage. And the manufacturer's suggested retail price for this one is $12. And it says this one will clarify, control, and balance. Let's see. All right. It says purely me. 100% amino acid, microfoam, salicylic acid, gentle exfoliate, dandelion, post-biome technology. Okay. The expiration date is February 17th, 2025. I like. And yes, this is a vegan property, and it's certified clean. And once you open it, it has a 12-month shelf life, okay? So make sure you use it within 12 months of opening this product. And the size is actually a 1.6 fluid ounce size, okay? Not bad, not bad. All right, we're down to the last item in this box. Now I can appreciate the fact that everything in here was a full-size item. Now this is by Shiki, and this is a bamboo scrub. It says Shiki Relax Lavender Bamboo Scrub features AHAs and plant extracts such as bilberry, sugarcane, sugar maple, orange, and lemon that gently exfoliate and moisturize your skin. The manufacturer suggested retail price of this one is $11. Now it says gentle exfoliation for the body with 5 fruit complex plus AHA acids. This is a 6 fluid ounce size. Okay, can you say full size? Alrighty, and skin so healthy it glows. It's a rich source of silica which gently exfoliates. Oh, okay, let's back up a little bit. All right, it says bamboo is a rich source of silica which gently exfoliates to produce the appearance of radiant and glowing skin. Plant extracts and AHAs are a blend of 5 botanical extracts, which we talked about. That's the bilberry, sugarcane, sugar maple, orange, and lemon, which moisturize and brighten the skin tone. All right, this is a vegan, gluten-free, cruelty-free product. All right. And I'm trying to see what kind of expiration date we have here. Oh, it says August 2023, so that means we're going to have to get to using this rather quickly. Okay, well, what do you think about the ingredients that were in our box this month? I must admit, most of these items that are here, I have never heard of this brand or these brands before. One that I do know about, of course, which I did explain to you earlier, is Estate, okay? Now, I do have palettes by them because they are a vegan and cruelty-free product, okay? Now, I can appreciate my husband for getting this for me. As you know, I am a pescatarian, and with that being the case, he found something that is actually along the lines of how I live. This is the way I want to, treat my body. All right. Trying to do much better. The first time I tried it, my head was really, really clear. I'm going to say maybe a couple months in. Okay. So with regards to this box, let me know your thoughts down below. If this is something that you would like to continue to explore here on this channel, or if we should move on and try something else new, let me know your thoughts down below, because this isn't just my channel, it's ours, okay? So I just want to let you know that I thank you so very much for choosing to spend time with me on today as we unboxed our Kinder beauty box. All right, now these are the items that were included, and down below the total manufacturer suggested retail price for everything that was enclosed. Okay, now remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.